Party people in the house, let's make some noise. It was tag team in 93. It's the AI wealth creation queen, Adriane Mays in 2023. Welcome to the 93 part Build Your AI Wealth Creation Digital Real Estate Community with Kajabi and AI. Let's get down. Building an AI wealth community in the online town, creating digital real estate. It's all about Kajabi step by step. That's why we're going to see, whoop, there it is. The wealth creation, that's no lie. With Kajabi and AI, your profits will fly high. Come on. Learn how to make money online with digital real estate. We're going to learn how to make your online business plan. Kajabi versus alternatives. It's your time to shine. But watch this before switching. Your knowledge is power. Which Kajabi plan should I choose? The decision of the hour. We're going to go through the dashboard, the website of Kajabi and options. We're going to look at a lead magnet and five amazing benefits for online businesses. So I can't rhyme it. So how to build a landing page or lead magnet, setting up your email list. What can you do in 3 months if you don't go and check those 14 days out free at the link right there provided? Benefits of an online business all intertwined. Part 13, you're going to learn how to automate the emails sequence and selling your online email versus YouTube, picking the right niche for your content, the never running out of content ideas with these tips. Building a landing page, attracting your leads, setting up your email list, and it's a seed. What can your online business do in 3 months? Kajabi will show you no need for stunts. Whoop, there it is. What's the purpose of your content? How to craft the perfect video or blog post. Products you can create on Kajabi Explain. Creation taking flight with Kajabi and AI. Come on, get your free 14 days. It's comprehensive, this 93 part plan. Tune in for the series to get it step by step for your digital real estate community with Kajabi and AI. Mini course plan on Kajabi. We're going to go over how to write lessons for your mini course, how to design slides and worksheet for your mini course. Whoa, there it is. 27, we're going to do what you need to film your mini course, how to use bonuses to make your course unique, how to even charge how much mini online course, part 29, how much to actually get ready for your launch in part 30. We're going to go through creating an offer for your mini course. Number 32, how to build a sales page and make that money for your course. Number 33, killer copywriting for your online course tips. Number 34, 2 options for sales videos for your online course. Number 35, how to make $3,000 a month. Lane Sebring review on Kajabi. Whoop, there it is. Come on. We're going to actually learn how to get testimonials for your course. We're going to learn how to leverage AI to use and increase your course sales with tier pricing on Kajabi. We're going to actually look at email sequences on Kajabi. We're going to go through how to build a winning email welcome sequence on Kajabi. It starts with the billionaire plan. We can't do it without Kajabi and AI. Build a killer pre-launch email sequence. We're going to go over how to build an email sequence launch. We're going to go through the building pipelines. Then launch week, how many sales to expect, how to offer a payment, how to use your cart abandonment emails, how to actually go forward with starting your online business. Evergreen launch model, which model is best for your online business? We're going to take a look at 50, building an evergreen email launch sequence. What we're going to do, number 51, after you launch the course, we're going to go 3 ways to increase your revenue in your online business. Then we're going to look at the raising the price of your online course. The money is in the list. Your value increases in time. How to grow your email list in 54. 55, increasing your revenue by building a new course. Keep going, right? Plan out your flagship online course. 57, why hitting $1,000 a month changes everything, says Lane Sabrin. How to make online business growth autopilot, creating the passive income lifestyle that we want. You don't have to be an expert. We're going to look at that in 59. Number 60, how to overcome imposter syndrome. Managing your audience on Kajabi, targeting the right people. We're going to take a look at that. The Facebook group. Do we want to go Kajabi? Do you want to go email? Which membership site is best for you? How to create that offer package. Going through email automation. This course is whoop. There it is. We're going to go in detail. We're going to try to give you step by step on how to give the 3 ingredients for success. Leveraging Lane Sabrine's step-by-step process on the Kajabi winning a step-by-step process for 90 days. We're doing it in 90 parts because number 66, biggest membership mistakes. We're going to look at the step-by-step how to build a membership site. We're going to look on the inside of Kajabi if it's not working for you, if you started with Kajabi or if it's your first time with Kajabi. Looking at Facebook, this is going to say, oh my gosh, Facebook is down. What do I do? Looking at your digital real estate, your website, and making sure that you're taking care of business. Coaching program, the fastest way to make money online. We're going to go through that on part 73. Part 74, how to set up your Kajabi coaching program step by step. Looking at the acts of kindness, generosity, and community with value in 75. Increasing your membership site's value. We're going to go through Whoomp, there it is, discovery call scripts for your actual step by step. We lead by example. We're going to empower and innovate in a building community. We are literally on 79. How Lane Sabrin is crushing it on Kajabi. Come on, thank you, Lane. Number 80, how Amy Portfield does well on Kajabi. We're going to look at the preaching donkey on Kajabi. Take a look at the entrepreneur examples. Graham Cochran on Kajabi. We're going to look at the podcast, why you want a podcast, 10 reasons you should get a podcast. We're going to go through all of that here in this step-by-step 93-part video. Shout out to Ludington Middle School in Detroit, Michigan. What up, though? Celebrating 30 years, 93. That's why we're going to make sure this AI online business is taken care of. We're going to look at how to start a podcast on Kajabi. Looking at Brendan Bouchard, a Kajabi entrepreneur highlight. Take a look at how he's killing the game with Kajabi. How to plan a flagship online course. We're coming towards the end. The top 5 AI editing softwares for online courses. We're going to, again, take another look at acts of kindness to grow your business. Then we're going to come around 91, the number one most important part of success in your business, that billionaire mindset, building that community in the AI real estate, digital real estate community with Kajabi and AI starts with you with the billionaire mindset, which takes us to 92. 7 powerful mindset shifts for billionaires. They don't think like that. 1%ers. We're going to go over that in part 92. Then part 93, the secret strategy to achieving anything you want in life. Part 93. So make sure you stay to the end of the whole video series. It's going to be a long one, but it's going to be worth your time. We're going to monetize and how to make money online in this digital space. And Adriane Mays, your AI wealth creation strategist, your living benefits change Crusader captain. You're head of this whole vision because, again, your why, your passion is bigger than you. So grind, let's go. I can, I will, I must, let's go.